For the G major 7 chord, it looks like we're going for 4 shapes. Of course, this tuning has 2 open G strings, so it's fairly conducive to really working an open G major 7 sound. All of these G major 7 chords have at least the low string droning, if not the high G also. It's essentially moving up the neck from more of an open position, even up to the 9th position. But why not? And as always, even with these chord videos, feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a question.